Hi, I'm Ola and I'm here today with Claire, who is the expert nutritionist at Ella's Kitchen, also here with Dream, and we'll be talking about drop-in milk feeds. Dream's actually baby number 3 for me, and I always find that each child is totally different, and it's the first time that I've actually exclusively breastfed. I guess because they're all so different, I never know what point of the journey to kind of drop the milk feeds, because he's feeding through the night as well.
When it comes to dropping milk feeds and weaning, it's really important to go with your instincts and go with what works for your babies. Certainly in the first few weeks of weaning, milk is still the most important source of nutrients, and foods are just about offering tiny tastes. As you progress along that weaning journey, you'll find that naturally he'll become less interested in 1 or 2 milk feeds a day. So there's no rush to do it though. So in the first sort of few months of weaning, you're still offering 600 mils or so of your usual milk, or you're feeding on demand. But you'll find that the feed that he starts to take less of will naturally become the one that you drop when you feel ready. But there's no hard and fast rules.
Are there any particular foods that you think that are easier to introduce?
Starting with vegetable tastes is a really great way to help your little one learn that not all food is sweet. They're born with naturally a preference for sweeter foods, so offering more savoury tasting vegetables in variety can help them learn about the range of tastes, and can also help them learn to accept vegetables when they're older. So a range of single vegetable tastes is a great way to get your little one off to a good start in weaning.
When I drop a few of the milk feeds, what should I kind of be replacing that with?
You want to make sure that you're offering the same nutrition from the foods. So things like protein from either meat, fish, pulses, dairy foods, calcium from dairy, whether that's cheese or yogurt, but also from green vegetables, or pulses again, like hummus. It's really important to offer a range of cereals. They provide B vitamins, which are great for your little one. Couscous, bread as finger food. Oats are another great one. You can offer porridge for breakfast. And offering a rainbow of vegetables and fruits is brilliant because you get a wide variety of nutrients.